Are set to begin in the trial of a doctor and nurse charged with involuntary manslaughter for the in-custody death of a woman at the Las Colinas jail in Santee.
Elisa Serna died back in November of 2019. CBS 8's Regina Ureta is live outside of the East County Regional Center where that trial is set to get underway. Good morning, Regina.
Yeah, good morning. And really, this is the beginning of a trial of a jail nurse and a jail doctor who are charged with involuntary manslaughter for the death of Elisa Serna, who at the time was an inmate and 27 at the time. So this is an incident that happened on November 11th of 2019. Both the jail nurse, Dana Lee Pasqua, and the on-duty jail doctor at the time, Friederike von Lintag, are accused of negligence and face charges of involuntary manslaughter in the 2019 death of inmate Elisa Serna, who at the time was pregnant. She had been held in a medical isolation cell and was supposed to be monitored by the jail medical staff. Now, prosecutors allege the nurse saw Serna fall against a wall in the cell, hitting her head. They believe that at the time of that incident, they failed to administer medical aid for nearly an hour. She was later found dead. Prosecutors say von Lintag didn't properly evaluate Serna or manage her condition. They add that von Lintag had been called by nurses to evaluate Serna and accused von Lintag of never examining her that day. At a preliminary hearing last year, a sheriff's detective testified that Serna was pregnant, vomiting, and going through heroin withdrawal and was experiencing seizures in the days before her death. Now, both defendants will stand trial. Opening statements take place today. During the jury selection that happened just a few days ago, some of the questions that were asked were, what do you do for a living? What does your spouse do? And do you have any friends or close family members who are members of law enforcement? So we talked to a legal expert who's not connected to this case, but he's been a criminal defense attorney for 35 years. So take a listen to what he talked about in regards to this case.
It takes something beyond just negligence. It takes a criminal recklessness and sort of an intent. There's a criminal intent that goes with it. So in this case, they're going to have to show that this doctor had a conscious awareness of what she was doing and acted nonetheless.
And opening statements are scheduled for 9 a.m. Now, if convicted of involuntary manslaughter, both defendants are actually, they could face a maximum of 4 years in state prison. That's the latest in El Cajon. I'm Regina Ureta, CBS 8.